Welcome back, bogies. I've said it before, but we must get this floor done in the next few episodes. Yeah, keep promising we must get this floor done. One that we haven't got. There we go. Yes, so the last time I was doing was cleaning the bulkhead and the old floor panel, so we need to just get on with that and fix the bulkhead, and then we can get on with it. Just have a quick shot of what the boot looks like at the moment. It's not the prettiest, but a bit of a clean up, it'll be all fine. You can see the repair sections where I've spot welded it, and you can see the repairs in there, but they all just need cleaning up. Yeah, clean the paint off, but I'll get the old shop blaster doing quite a lot of that hopefully, and we can epoxy prime it. But yeah, as far as I can see, the back's not too bad repaired. As I said, all this is all hidden by the bumper anyway, so you know, yes, it'd be ideal to be nice new panels, but that will do. That will do. All right, floor. Okay, pretty much finished grinding all down there. I cut a few little holes in the bulkhead which need to be repaired, so that'll be the next thing to be done. So we repair the bulkhead floors. We're going to repair the little bottom part of this inner channel in a door post, and then we're getting there. Just clean up all the edges ready so we can then clamp the floor in and trim the floor to fit. That's the idea anyway. Alright, I just repaired the floor plate where there's like a double thickness for the subframe out. I've left another hole for the moment. I'm going to do that from the other side after I've done the floor. Do it from underneath. It's going to be just easier to do, and just because I'm lazy and I just wanted to put it off. Anyway, need to roll the car back round so we can finish off grinding off the bottom lip of the door step, and then I think we're there to sort of try and check a few things and see what things are looking like. Alright, clean the edge up. What I need to do now is flip the car over, clamp the floor panel into where the sill goes, along the doorstep, and I can bring it back maybe to this angle, and then I can start working out and start trimming this edge so it falls in and matches the floor. Put some clamps in it. Then we just need to make sure we drill holes and clean anything up that we need to do before we fit the floor for the last time. Okay, I think this is all workable at the moment. Got some clamps along this edge. What I'm going to do now is go along here and trim up the whole lot so it actually fits in. Well, that method normally works. It's done for the other floors. And then we can get some panel clamp, we can take it off, clean all the edges up that we need to spot weld and grind. Drill some holes in this part of the floor underneath, just so we can then get into the door pocket, into the rear bin, and weld through the strengthening plate for the subframe. And we drill some holes in the back edge of here if we need to just get some plug welds through, and the same as the front heel board along here, but we'll do all that. So let's roll the car back again and trim it up. Just to let you know that, I don't know if you've watched the old videos, but I did this jacked on the floor before as well, so don't think sitting here going, oh I wish I could roll the car over. It does make it easier, I'm not giving you that, that's for sure. But it is completely possible to do all this just laying on the floor. It's not nice, it's not good, but it is possible. Check out the old jet black videos and you can see me doing it. I just did it all exactly the same, but just did it all from inside. You know, it is possible. Just don't give up, guys. Alright, so I had to switch phones halfway through this. So basically, yeah, we've trimmed it all up now. I've drilled some holes to weld through to the strengthening plate. I can do that from inside the pocket, I've done that last time. Some drills for the holes, plug welds for the back of this. Cleaned it all up, drilled some plug holes at the end there to go onto the heel board. Not taking the sticker off yet, but I can do that easily because that's on the inside. And yeah, so I think it's time to see if this is ready to fit. And we get some tack welds on it. Okay, so I didn't video it, time lapse. Cameras are playing about, so I do apologise. So yeah, I got some tacks, and I did a little bit of welding because I got overexcited. But yeah, it seems like quite nice to actually weld from the top here. I can get a nice thing, so I might from the underneath. So I think I'll weld from underneath. Well, I will do as soon as I've started doing that. And yeah, just grind it off and hopefully it'll be alright. So yeah, I'm definitely getting there. I'm actually a bit late now, but I should have rolled it over just now just to double check everything and how it's looking. Got a small little gap to fill there. That was me right at the beginning. I don't know if you remember, guys. I was a bit overzealous on cutting. So a bit of a shame, but we will make mistakes, so live with it. So yeah, all looking good. So yeah, we get it all welded up, finished off the back that you can't really see. Obviously then clean it all up, run spot welds on the seals. We can then move on, because the next part after this will be the door and the door frame and this door post and the A panel, and then that will lead us eventually onto the front. So as you can just see there, I've got a little patch to still do there. You can still see the new floor coming through, and you can see the repair, and obviously yeah, still more fixing and welding to do around this area, but we're definitely getting there. Be nice to get the floor completely solid. Won't be long now, so hopefully in the next video we can really crack on with the floor. And yeah, it'd be nice to have two solid floors like that. And yeah, we're on the final slope of all the welding. And then hopefully we can get the shot blast around, but I was hoping for the beginning of Feb, but geez, we've only got another week and a half to go, haven't we? So I should stop talking and just crack on with it really, but yeah, as I said, we've still got to repair these front sections of the inner wings where it got chopped off to become a flip front, but it shouldn't be too much of an issue. So yeah, let's get the floor done in the next episode, and let's move on to trying to figure out how to put the door on. What would be really nice is if I could get my strong wife out here and we can flip this car over so it's front to back the other way, just so I can get to the door and everything and do the other side, because then it would be over this side. But anyway, we're getting there, it's not looking too bad. Again, do it in lots of little stages and let it cool down. I did that, you got to be careful. Welded too much on the other side, and big sheets like this distort quite easily if you're just doing lots of long welds. or just lots of short welds but over a long area, because the heat builds up and it just distorts, like you get in the old oven tray. You know, if some of your oven trays go ping pong when they get too hot inside the oven. That's because they're all under tension, but the heat makes it expand and poof. Anyway, alright, cheers guys, see you tomorrow.